Wait. She paid how much for this? Stay till the end. I'm about to blow your mind. It looks nice, but $855 for this? I'm showing you how to do this for a fraction. Watch. Think of it as a cooking show. Same results, fraction of the price. 28 years behind the chair. I'm tired of salons overcharging you. Way too much. And they justify it. Every salon owner is going to hate what I'm going to tell you. Look at these roots. Dense, harsh, fighting every single month. Sound familiar? Every time you go darker, that regrowth line gets worse, not better. It's a trap. Your gray grows back faster than the color holds. Every single time. It's a losing battle. Your gray is not your enemy. Your stylist is. Today, that changes. I promise you. This is what your hair looks like when you work with your gray, not against it. 5 products, that's all you'll need. I'm walking you through every single one right now. This is the secret. 9N at BS. Translucent color that blends your gray. Not covers it, no weight line, no flat matte base, just dimension, just movement, just beautiful. Your gray becomes part of the result. That's why it looks so expensive. Well, not anymore. Grams of color, 20 grams of developer, weigh it every time. This is non-negotiable, please. Regrowth only. You could use a bottle or a brush. Just your regrowth, okay? Okay, notice that I'm showing you a highlight cap or foils. Pick whichever one you like. I prefer you guys use the highlight cap. I want you to put the bleach on over the color. I know I'm gonna get some flack for this, but that's what the pros do. Most of the pros, when they've done this forever, are giving you 2 steps in 1. This is where I suggest you have a friend do it. If you could do this and make it this methodical, go for it. If not, heck, have a wine party. Okay, don't dry this too long because you're gonna dry the regrowth color, but just dry this to seal the holes. Okay, make this thick, but not too thick, but make it thick enough so it doesn't go in the holes of the cap. Okay, this is self-explanatory. If you have resistant hair, put a cap over this or some saran wrap. Alright, this is what you want. Do a strand test to see if this is the consistency and the color that you have. If not, leave it on longer. Shampoo your hair, rinse your hair. That's a protein spray that I'm using. You don't need to use that. Now the next step. NBN 9PK 2:1 ratio. Smush it through your hair. Don't worry, it's not going to affect the base color. Wait 10 minutes. Just be patient and it will do its job. 10 minutes, now we take a shower, rinse everything out. Recondition, we do everything that we need to do. Okay, do you see that regrowth? That is translucent gray coverage. That is what I'm talking about. That's gorgeous. That root blend. No harsh line, no gray fighting you. Seamless, gorgeous. 28 years of doing this and you just did it at home. Boom. Remember this gray roots, harsh regrowth line every 6 weeks? Exhausting. Same woman, same gray percentage, completely different results done at home. You can still go to the salon or you could do it at home. Before and after, side by side, that's the difference. Depending on the level of your hair, but that's the results. Beautiful. Everything is linked in the description below. Click order, done. Goldwell 9 at BS, your base, link below right now. Every product I use today in the description. No guessing, no running around. This is the complete kit. Everything you need right here, that's it. All links in the description. Click order, you have everything you need. Drop your gray percentage in the comments right now. I need to know. Gray percentage, natural color, how long have you been coloring? I'll give you your exact formula. I read every comment, I answer every one. That's a promise, every single one. 28 years, thousands of clients. Every formula I know, I'm giving it to you. Color trainer for major professional brands, Redken, Schwarzkopf, Dominus. This is real expertise. I've trained the trainers, now I'm training you, right here at home for free. Professional results without the professional price tag. That's why this channel exists, period. I want to help you. Real knowledge, real formulas, real techniques, not Google. 28 years, that's what you're getting. If it's helped, hit the like button right now. 1 second means everything. Subscribe, new videos every week, real results right here at home. Don't miss it. Video on it. Now remember that price, that $855 for the salon? How much do you think it is going to be for you to do it? Guess what? Only $80, and that's for 3 applications if you do it right. And those 3 applications are for your regrowth and your toner. Your bleach is going to last way, way, way longer. Drop a guess on how much it was in the comments. How close were you? I want to see it. Also, drop your gray percentage. I'll personally formulate your exact formula just for you. Fill out my hair profile, link below. I'll give you your exact formula in the comments. All right, until the next video, know your hair, grow your hair. The next video is going to be a game changer. Seriously, I promise. Take care.